Hello, it's Mark, and
Grace.
we're here at a nature reserve not far from our house actually, called the Litten Nature Reserve. It's a council area. We've never been here before, and we've been invited by a forest school called the Blue Fox Forest School, and they've asked us to come and have a look around. So we've never been here before. Should we go and find out what's happening? Are you going to say hello?
Hello.
Right, let's have a look around. Wow, what do you think is in here?
Don't know.
Huh?
Don't know.
Could it be a bug house? Bug house. Can you see any bugs?
Ants.
Ants. So they have lots and lots of ponds for pond dipping. And this one's a bit bigger than our one, isn't it, Grace? What do you think's in there?
Frogs.
Do you know if Thomas is in here? Do you know what he would say is in that pond? What do you think?
Frogs.
No. Crocodile. He thinks there's crocodiles everywhere. Can we see anything in here? You like it here, Grace?
Yeah.
What do you like about it here?
The big pond.
I just spotted what looks like someone's been making a den over here. But looks like someone's been making dens. You see it?
Mm-hmm. What's that?
What this? Looks like it's a bird box, isn't it? This one up here. We've only been here a few minutes.
Found a hammock.
Have you? Where?
Over there, that blue
Oh,
hammock.
yeah. It's really cool. I've never been here before. And there's just so many kind of bird boxes. Another den. Anyone in there? Anyone? Looks like it's empty. Yeah, lots of ponds and some amazing oak trees. And just to think, this is literally, I think it took us like 6 minutes to drive here from our house, and I've never been here before. It's amazing, isn't it? Like, all these things on your doorstep, and you have no idea that these are here. Now this is a big pond. Check this big boy out.
That's massive.
What do you think's in there?
Crocodiles.
A crocodile. I don't know. There's definitely wildlife in there, isn't there? Definitely frogs. You liking these dens?
Mhm.
How was the hammock? You like the hammock?
Yeah.
Oh look at this one. Bit of weaving going on there. Oh. Bit of camo.
That one looks amazing.
Say again.
That one looks amazing.
Go inside it. Alright, pose for the picture. I like this as a weave shelter. Look at this. What this looks like. Yeah, look at that. It's a bit muddy. Alright, go on in, Grace. In you go. See if you can fit in there. Here we go. Pose for the picture. So we're on the little scavenging hunt. What does this one say? Let's have a look. So we're looking for an oak leaf. Oh wow. Where do you think an oak leaf is? Any around in here? This one? Alright, see if that matches up. Go on in, have a look against the leaf. Does it match? Oh yeah. I love this tree. That tree, the way it's fallen over, Grace, has carried on growing.
A worm.
A worm? Do we have to look for a wiggly worm?
Oh no.
Oh no. I don't think we're going to find a wiggly one today. Right, what does this one say? This one says a skeleton leaf. Oh, they're really difficult to find. What? What does that say?
A bud.
A bud. Can we find a bud? Any ideas?
Bud.
I quite like these scavenging hunts just because it gets you both out and about, looking for clues and treasure and things, isn't it? Yeah. And it's not about doing it the fastest, it's just having a bit of time, enjoying Mother Nature. And this is one of the things what I keep wanting to get everyone out and about. This is one of the emphases of Big Man in the Woods, is just to get off your computers and just spend some time in the great outdoors, because as we all know, we all have a big busy life. Grace has found another one.
A birdhouse.
A birdhouse. Oh, I don't think there's many birdhouses around here, is there? It's great just being out and about. And everyone says leave technology at home, but it's quite cool. What's that? What do we got? We got to look for a what did you say?
Feather.
Feather.
Oh, that's a good den.
Go on in. You gonna go in the den, see if there's a feather in there? I found a feather.
Where?
Look there. Boomba. Can you get a feather?
Butterfly.
Where? Oh yeah.
Was that a moth?
No, that's a butterfly.
Cool.
These are old kind of hedgehog houses that they just been left and abandoned. Right, hang on. What does it say, Grace?
Ladybird.
Gotta find
One of them.
a ladybird.
This can take ages.
I think I'm gonna find a ladybird today. Grace reckons we're lost. Go on in, see what's down here. Bumblebees.
A pink flower.
Pink flower.
I
What?
know where a pink.
There was lots of pink flowers that we just walked past.
I know where a pink.
Oh, look at these. Beautiful. Oh, look. Oh,
Bee. The bee might be very happy.
bumblebees.
Okay, come on, Dad.
You know they're saying if you see a white feather in unnatural settings, it means someone from heaven is paying attention, but I think it's a bird. Yep. This way. I found another one. I can't go that way because of the bog, but look what I found. What does this one say?
Elder.
Elder. Need to look for an elder.
What's an elder, anyways?
One of those.
Get one.
Or is it one of those?
I'm sure.
No,
No.
it's a smooth one. So it's this one here. One of these leaves here. Pretty sure that is an elder.
Let me check. Yep,
Are we right?
that's an elder.
Ah, can't see it. Alright, let's have a look. This one say, a leaf with a hole in it. Ah, look at that.
Can you take
Seconds. No, that's a prickly one.
one?
Oh look, here's the campfire circle. Let's come down here, Grace. Oh, there's one more here. What does this one say, Grace?
Spiderweb.
Spiderweb.
No, I'm not picking one of them. No,
What?
thank you. Thank you.
Look at this arch. This is a lovely arch. One of the best bits that I really enjoy about camping is just sitting around the campfire and just talking, putting the water to rights, exchanging stories. I love a good campfire. Grace doesn't.
Can you help me find a stone?
A stone? Look at this. This log is rather happy. Look at him.
Oh, wow, a feather as well. That looks really nice. I like that one. Like the feather.
See the stick. Whoa. You need to hold it still, Grace. What magic wands do you know?
Abracadabra.
What have you turned me into?
A frog.
Rabbit. There's our little trip around the Litten Nature Reserve here in Greenford. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
It's a nice little walk around, 45 minutes in the outdoors, and teaming up with Blue Fox Forest School, Grace made a
Wand.
wand, and she wanted to turn me into a frog.
Ribbit.
Huh?
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Right, we're gonna go get some tea and biscuits. Guys, thank you very much. I just want to know if you guys go to a forest school, let me know. And until next time, guys. Bye bye. Say bye, Grace.
Ribbit.